Hey guys. Hey guys, my name is Rybro and welcome to Songbird Symphony. Now, this is a game where you play as a bird where you have to sing your way through any situation that comes at you. So, that's my blue friend who's uncomfortable in front of the camera. I know I have one. This game just looked really, really cute, and and that waterfall is so beautiful. I just want to jump into it. I don't know how this completely works yet, but let's just get into it. I press G. Good morning, Uncle Peel. Uncle Peel died. Uncle P, where are you? And why is there music coming from over there? The music! I like it! I want to go see where it's coming from! It's not Trumpet Man. He's annoying. I've been referencing him a lot. That. Wait, wonk. Oh my god. I leave little dirt puffs. Ah! Help! That's so cute. I need help! And then whoosh. Ow, my head. Okay, I'm gonna move like him. Okay. Whoosh. Okay. Whoosh. I can't get over this. Oh, okay. When do I make noise? Oh, cross the bridge. Butterfly! Wait! I made it. Oh, I got stuck. I scared him. Whoa! There's a beetle humping that tree. Hey, stop that! He's like, this is my humping music. Get that gold nugget. Oh, that's no, okay. Oh! I'm drowning. I love the sounds. It's so adorable. I love the movement. Oh! Thank you, Mr. Mushroom. Oh! Whoosh! Jumping through you. Ah! We'll do it all. Everything on our own. Ah! Making so much noise! That's what I have to say about that, bees. Oh! Thank you. I love the noises in the... Yeah! It moved! I'm so excited! Oh! There's my uncomfortable friend! Hello there! There's a bunch of paint on me now. DS. Hello. Oh, I like how the noises are like words. Uncle P, what are you doing? Good morning. Smooth moves. Yes, my smooth moves, my boogie woogie, my fancy footwork, my dance. Wow, sounds fun. Oh, sounds like someone's interested. Want me to teach you some of Uncle P's famous dance moves? Yes, please. Alright, let's go. Before we start, you'll need to know what to do. First, listen to my voice. Okay, if I did that, I would explode. Oh! Yeah! Trumpet means bad. What, do I get a trumpet blown in my face or something? Oh no, let's try again. Okay. Okay. Yeah! Great job. Now let's begin the actual lesson. It's gonna take me forever! You're very weird. Uncle P. Yes, I follow my steps as I go. Together we'll put on a show. I love this. Bam, 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 bam. I love this. Leaves everywhere. I kind of heard that. Ooh, there's lady peacocks. Ow, 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 ow. Hey, that was actually pretty good. Can you feel it in the mood? It's so fun to dance together. But don't stop us now, we're getting tougher. I love this. I'm so sorry. I don't know what this says. This is just me learning. Leaves! Someone's gonna choke on him. Eventually. How long will this last for? Hey, I've got a little guy. That's something no one can deny. Now we're done. The song is through. You've learned to dance like peacocks do. I don't want to be a peacock. Okay. Let's just continue. Yay! Now I can dance like you! You've got potential, son. When you grow up, you'll woo the tail feathers off any female that comes by. Why? Because the vibration of my voice will just be like wind and it'll just like whoosh. All of her clothes off. Whoosh. Like that. Wow! Will I look like you when I grow up? Hopefully not. Uncle P! Oh, son, let's not worry about that. There's more important things to worry about, like breakfast. Am I gonna sing the breakfast into my mouth? P-A-N-C-A-K-E. And then just on my face. Ow, he's pecking at my head. Stop! You're not stepping anywhere. I mean, your right leg is kind of like going like that. I want your body, Uncle Peacock. Oh, okay. Using other letters. A-D-S. Okay. Stupid trumpet! Okay. Stop it, trumpet! Ah! Don't shake your peacock ass at me! Ah! I can feel it lift the mood. I can feel it lift out of my chair. Ah! Oh no! The vibration is... Oh, my clothes! No! I have to keep it on! Okay. D, S... S... Ah! He'll just dance to everything. He's like questioning. I see that one eyebrow raised. Don't try to hide it. Oh, I almost got that! You can choke me with leaves. That's how we end this. Okay. I know I didn't do that well, but that was just a demo. I thought there was gonna be like adventure and all that. Oh, I love the animations. Oh, that's like my favorite part out of everything. Okay, my couch is backed up a little bit more. I guess that was just a prototype. That was beautiful. I know I kind of got distracted from everything and I didn't do that well, but I really like this. If there's going to be like actual like adventuring and like meeting new people, if you can work singing into that, like I don't know, like blowing people's clothes off, if that's how you defeat them. I don't know, that'd be cool. But thank you all so much for watching. Share with a friend, and I'll hope to see you in the next one. So bye for now. Rybro out.